back out of the TT. I've just been getting in my hand, he's got his cables on. Just the way to get the big water pump bias. There's a big gator thing. It's on the subframe. Aye, had a din car bit heely underneath it. Put the guides in, then put the cables up. Aye, that's not going to push in there. I think I need the big water pump pliers. There's a way to get them. Cracking day though. Cracking day. Inside the TT's, got it all back together. Gators and guides for a CUNT. But we got it. Got these pulled into the subframe there, the gators that attached to the cable. What a bloody thing is. Aye, there. Can't see it anyway, but right in the back of that. I've got ETT Tina in bits again. What we're doing today is this MOT advisory on I got an MOT advisory on this back spring. The rest have all been changed to the previous owner. So I'll just take this one off. I'm just going to change it. Well, we've got the new spring in, but I forgot to put in these, you know, the rubber that sits in, it's lying somewhere, so it's going to have to come back out. Wee wording on it. I put my foot on this bar and he was sitting in it. There we go. Springs in, rubbers are on. Aye, job done. Get the bolt back in the shocky now. And that'll be that. This is the old spring that just changed. No, there's a lot wrong with it, pal. It's a bit of surface rust and a bit of dirt, but the other three in the car have been changed and it was picked up on the test, so had it there. Otherwise we'll just fit it. Something today.